Welcome back to the workshop. One of the projects that we need to work on at some point here in the workshop is some of this dead space over here. Now, here, over in this space here, is where the rolling caddy goes, or the rolling tool cart, when it is not being used. However, the machinist chest, the Gagnon machinist chest, currently is on top of one of those crates that I made for moving out here from North Carolina. If you had seen the workshop update video from last December, I talked about those crates, how I made them, and how they're going to be used to give me wood for projects. Unfortunately, I put them down, put the chest on top, and haven't done anything to it since. So that is, at some point I'd like to take some of either this wood or some of the new wood I bought and make a little stand of some sort that this can be put on top of. We got the pipe clamps in the back. Down here you can't see it, but there's, all the associated paperwork that I keep sometimes. It's not paperwork, it's instructions and material that come with tools for the garage. And then there's another kitty litter container. And this one's got all the hooks and whatnot you can use on the wall. And that's just where it's been kept. So I think there's some area back here that I really need to do some work with to enhance the space, but also give an enhancement for the tools. Originally, this was going to be put under this thing. And that might still be able to happen. And I can make a corner, something that fits in the corner, so it's like a triangle-shaped thing. That's not a problem. The only issue is in opening this, I don't want to get into a situation where I'm reaching for a tool and I hit my head on that thing. That's going to be most unfortunate. So I'm still figuring out how I want to do that. I have been using this quite a lot in building Puzzle Box 5. A lot of the drill bits, a lot of the measuring tools, even some of the files have been used because I've been using metal pieces or incorporating metal pieces into this puzzle because it is a clock. And so I've been using that, which is a good thing. So yeah, it's getting this area set up is something that I'll be working on probably in the late summer into the fall, as I'm currently working on Puzzle Box 5 on the extra features for that.